Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about while loops in Python. While loops are used to repeat an action an unknown number of times. Basically, use a while loop when we don't know how many times we would like an action to be repeated. So here's an example. X equals 1. While x is less than 7, print I'm still in the loop, plus the x value, and then plus the actual x value. X plus equals 1, another form of x equals x plus 1. And once we're done looping through, print done looping. And as you can see here in this line, we are just adding 1 to the value of x every time we run through this loop. You can think of this statement as while this condition is true, then execute this code in the body. Be careful when using while loops because you may be creating an infinite loop. An infinite loop is a loop that runs forever. Infinite loops can cause programs to crash, so it's best to avoid them. Here's an example of an infinite loop. While true, print always true. And this goes on forever, or the program will crash. Here's another example. I equals 0. While I is less than 1, print I, and I minus equals 1, another form of I equals I minus 1. So as you can see here, this is also an infinite loop because I will always be less than 1 because we're decreasing it. It's already starting at 0, but it's just becoming more and more negative. So there's no way I will ever be 1 or greater than 1. So this is also an infinite loop. A good indication if you have created an infinite loop is this red squiggly line that will most likely appear when you try to run the code. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!